Hi guys, and let's talk about this tool which I just found. iMESHUP is a tool that reminds me of Atella and also reminds me of Sketchfab. So how does this work? It's quite simple. How it works is pretty easy. You just have to come over to the website, get a couple of people around, and automatically you can start doing that collaboration that you've always wanted to do. Those stuffs that you wanted to do, collaborate with people and all that. There is an app that also does something like that, a web service called Atella. You can also check that out. But iMESHUP is strictly, I think it's way focused towards gaming. There's also other apps like Shotgun, but that is for a big scale. But this one is just web-based, and what we do on this channel, we'll talk about web-based stuff, things that are close to free stuff, and also talk about some stuff that will make your life easier. And this is one of those apps that is web-based that can make your life easier. So as a collaboration app, how you get into this is you go over to www.imeshup.com. you come through, you can try it for free, you can register, and then get it over with. And once you go over to the pricing, let's talk about the pricing real quick. The pricing is not that expensive for what you can do for a month, but then on the second thought, Atella is free. I don't know if you choose Atella over this because of the pricing that it has. And this is running on your web browser. That is also another thing that Atella does. But one significant thing that I like about this one, which reminds me of Sketchfab, is the fact that you can control the lighting condition of your object. So you can inspect your object, add light to it, and also do all of those fun stuff. There is this model I've been trying to load up for a while, and it's taking quite a time to load. And just before I go ahead and talk about some other stuff, one of the things here is you can come through and you can change the status of your project. So you can change the status from either new, in progress, accepted, in review, and all that. So if it's in progress and you click in progress, automatically it should update and set it up to in progress. If I come through, let's just change this to review, in view, or in review. You can see that there. In progress, you can see that there as well. Accepted, you can also see that there as well. And if you are working with a team, you can also come through and add more people to this project. So if I come through to a project and I want to add a couple more people, I can come through and put in their stuff, and that's how you get through with it. So I like to know what you guys think about this. Would you want to use this tool? Do you think Sketchfab is better? Do you want to use Atella? Are you working with Shotgun? Tell me what you guys think about this stuff in the comment section, and until I see you guys next time with a review update tutorial, peace.